Hey guys, it's me Edgar Gaming here. Today I got a package. Today I'm gonna be unboxing it. For some reason there's already a cut. I didn't know. Already, actually two layers. Like this wrapping and another layer package. Or is this wrapping paper kind of thing? Let me show this has not. How's that say it doesn't have my address? You probably already know what this is by the title, but I've been wanting this for a while now. Okay, I hope it's got that color. I hope it's not this color. Red. Okay, I don't know if it's that color, if it's just a package. Hopefully it's just a package. I know. Okay, yeah. The color right that is red. Oh, it was red. Okay, that was red. Okay, so this is the unboxing. Yeah, I can sell it. Okay, cool. Ooh, this is awesome. And when I say awesome, I mean really cool. Okay, that is cool. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is really cool. Ooh, that's awesome. This is like aluminum, I think. I don't know what that is, but this is awesome. Those cables. Okay, I'm trying to change the cables. Okay, so it comes with these two cables. I'm assuming this like is to charge it. Okay. Here, I'll be back when this is charged up. So that, for real quickly, I like those lines. Pretty cool. Now I'll be back when I charge it. Okay, guys, I'm back, and this is the microphone. It's charging, so I'm just gonna play it real quick. And then this is how it sounds. So you see these switches. It says mic volume and remix. I put them both high up, and there's like previous. I don't know what those means, but record, and yeah, there's more like volume buttons. I'll be back right now. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you how the microphone works. So, when these switches are all high the switches, here's how it sounds. Okay, I don't know what to say. Yeah, that's how the microphone sounds. That's how it sounds with those switches high. No. Bedroom strand. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Okay. So, this is a pretty cool microphone. I didn't show you the power buttons right there.
The radio mode up.
I don't know what just happened. Okay, have a person.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, it's still on.
So, hello, subscribe, like,
in the comments. And yeah. Okay, this is how it sounds with mic and mic volume and remix all the way up. But now I'm gonna put remix all the way down. Actually, no, in the middle. Okay, so as you guys can see, the switch is now in the middle instead of all the way up. So it's in the middle. Okay. So this is how it sounds when it's in the middle. So yeah, in the middle still sounds like echoey. Okay, now I'm gonna do it all the way down. So now the remix button is all the way down. Hello. Okay, now just making it loud. Hey. Hey, you better leave. I like it more. The echo. The middle. Hello. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Still pretty cool. Okay, now I'm gonna lower the volume to the middle. As you can see, the mic volume is at the middle. And the remix is all the way up. Mic volume is in the middle, remix is all the way high. Okay, so I kind of like this better because it's not too loud, it's not too low. Leave the video. Subscribe and stay on the video. The video's gonna be at least like 10 minutes. Actually, I don't know. So yeah. I've seen the video. Yeah, I'm gonna hire it back. I've barely seen it probably. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if, I don't know if you've seen these videos where um, before I got this, I've been watching like a bunch of videos about these, and I saw someone connected. Well, they had installed an app. They connected the app, but actually it might not be this microphone. Whatever. But I saw people like connect. They got some app and they connected the micro. Actually, they connected their phones to the microphones and they like played music in the speakers. So I'm gonna go try to do that right now.